welcome to my channel Creative Nation 10. Today I am going to show you how to make this very easy paper lotus. It looks very beautiful and you can quite surprise anyone by telling it's handmade. The time required for this is 10 minutes. I will just tell you what we will need to make this. We will need a sheet of paper, 2 sheets of paper, one of pink or one of green. You can choose any shade of pink or any shade of green as per your choice. A rubber band. I have used a small one because we have to tightly take them together. So you can use a big one, but you have to loop it around many times. A pencil and a scale. And the scale should also have inches marking on it, so you can easily do it. So we will take a pink paper and then we will measure 2 inches from this side. 1 and 2. You can see here we have made a point. And again after that we'll have to make a 5 inches point from this edge. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so we have 5 by 2 inches. Now we will measure 2 inches from this straight line. Okay, it comes here and we will just do this, put them together. So this side 2 inches and this also is 5 inches. Okay, so like this we have to make 8 parts on the pink paper and 4 parts on the green paper of the same inches. I will just snap my fingers 3 times and you will see I have marked on all of them. 1, 2, 3. So we have just made these 2 by 5 inches 8 pieces on the pink paper and 4 pieces on the green paper. So now we will cut these. So we will cut these each one separately. Friends, I forgot to mention you will also need the scissors to cut this. So guys, we have cutted the 8 parts. Means we have cut the 8 parts of this pink paper and 4 parts of this. This much piece is remaining, the green piece. You can also make another lotus from the same green sheet. So now what we are gonna do is we are gonna do some series of folds on them. It is going to be the same on all of them. Okay, so you have to fold them in like this. Okay, fold them in half, open them and this to the middle. It's very easy, no need to worry about that. Okay, same on the other side, we will do like that only. This will go in the middle. No need if your means the folds aren't perfect, because in the nature the lotus looks beautiful when it isn't symmetrical. So it looks very nice. If you look symmetrical, it looks like a man-made figure. Okay, so you got the technique. So we have folded these 2 in, then we will fold this edge to the middle edge like that, this edge also to the middle edge, and we will turn the paper over and we will fold them from the middle. Okay, so we have made one part like this. Now we will make all of the papers, even the green ones, like this only. Okay, Hey guys, so we have now made all of them like that. So now we will just organize them like this. Two pink ones and one green. Two pink and a green. Two pink and a green. It means it is very, you can do that. So now what you are going to do is the green ones, you have to turn them around and you have to fold them like this, opposite of what we done. Okay, so now you have like this, we have to just make them like this again. From the back side we have to valley fold them, means like this. Okay, same with all the greens. Okay, this also we have done, and same for this. So now we will this like this and this here. So one we have made, we will put it under the some weight so it does not means go over. Same we will do with all the other ones. Put it under the weight. This. And we have to put this like this. Weight. Done. Under the weight. Put it under this weight. Okay. Same with this also. In that. And this into. Okay. So now we have all of them. Now we will take one of them and then take another one and put them on one top of another. Take another one and put again on one top of another. Take the last one and put them one top of another. Okay. So now the rubber band is here. It will be used here, just like this, and then put them in it. You have to be very sure that it is from the midpoint. Then I'm just doing it 2 times because you have to do it very tightly. Okay, I think this should be good. Okay, this should be good because I can't make it tight. The more tight, the more good your lotus will be. Okay, like this. We have to make like a snowflake type star from this. Okay. Okay. So see, you can see we have made a star structure. I like to move it a little bit to this side because it was not coming. Oh, it should have been. Okay. Now you are gonna do is you are gonna take. Oh, this has come a little bit. No problem, we can do that afterwards. So this one is what you will do. You will have to take it up. Okay, like a petal. Take it up. Make sure it retains that snowflake star kind of shape. Okay, so now we are gonna leave one, and this one we have to going to do the same, just like this. Very easy, right? Make it as close. You can make it close, or you can just like the video. The goal of this is 20 likes. After 20 likes, I'll show you how to make this yellow kind of things. Okay, this also same. As close as the center as you can. Make it very good. Okay. Now same with this. Take one petal and twist it in. Okay, so we have taken this. Wait a minute. I have not done it symmetrical. It's wait. I'll just unwrap them once again. Make the star shape again. So this and this should be like this should be like that. So just do them like that. This one leaf, and then this one. Okay, and one leaf, and then this one, and this one we have to leave, and then this one. So we are completely gonna tuck the center like that. Okay, so the ones we have not taken up yet, you'll have to just open them like this. These flaps you have to open, and then you have to fold them, so it looks like a humongous petal. Okay, just like that, you can see. So this we have taken. Now this one, same humongous petal. Okay, leave this one, humongous one. Same like that. Humongous petal. Leave this and this one. Just means do them like this, so they means gather around the center of it. It looks nice. So now what we are gonna do, which were the humongous petals, means this were the humongous petals. So this one we have to not open, we have to make it a small petal like we did with the first layer of the petals. Okay, so not this one, small, this one. Leave one and do it. Leave one and do this. Small one. Okay, leave one, small one. Leave one, small. So you can see only this are remaining. This. So now this were the first layer of the petals. So now they will be means the big petals. This layer will come a little short than the first layer of humongous petals because it has less space to come. Okay, just like that. This also one humongous one. This also a humongous one. Okay, so now you can see that we have very good type of a lotus in the middle. It is a little asymmetrical, but it looks very beautiful when it's unsymmetrical. So now you have to just fold the petal, fold the leaves up. Just nothing. All the leaves have to be folded just like that. This one is a little short, I think. Yep. We'll just make it a little big. Okay. Same with all the sides. This is also a little short, you can see. So we'll just pull it, and the rubber will give it some looseness. and you can easily fold it outside. So as you can see, our lotus is ready. If you don't like this, the yellow ones, you can just close the petals together, and so the inner part, means the rubber part, will not be visible as much. So hope you liked my video. Please subscribe. Thank you. And please like to my channel. Thank you. And please comment if you want more videos like this. It really supports me.